You knew what I meant.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
You did it.
So do we record now?
I would.
Okay.
Well, I would. Yeah. Go ahead. You're just gonna have to, ma'am. You're just gonna have to be real quiet because this is on live streaming and recording. So
everything on.
okay, I was gonna say
if you answer your phone, it's being recorded.
yeah, and you shouldn't have your phone on in the courtroom anyway. You know that.
Yes.
And
So
then that'll go away
in 30 seconds. Okay.
And then your setup of you already set this up over here for
Yes.
oh yeah, for Jimmy, right?
Yeah, for Jimmy and Shane.
Because it doesn't bring anything else up until you hit record. So that's why
It'll bring up the playback.
Right. So just leave this till we hit record, right?
I have one question. His daughter who's in Chicago wanted to join the Zoom. Is that permissible for him?
I'm sorry, but
His daughter who's located in Chicago was wanting to join the Zoom. Is that okay?
she won't be able to join the Zoom. She has to go on YouTube and watch it being live streamed.
Got it. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
The Zoom, we don't let family and stuff in because it congests.
Absolutely.
And
I understand.
yeah, with that kind of congestion, we never did anything.
Mm-hmm.
So moms, girlfriends,
Right.
daughters,
Right.
whatever, have to go on YouTube and watch it that way.
Okay. Thank you.
Because there's a link on our website. I don't know if you know that.
I was just saying it, and so I'll send that.
Yeah.
Thank you again.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
the arraignment?
I am, yes.
Good, good. We're almost ready, I think.
Okay.
Counsel, I've got a plea to take that's on Zoom, and we're trying to get Ramos online with your guy.
Thank you so much, Judge. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it.
Am I supposed to be calling Jimmy?
Oh, Shane, did you call Shane?
I didn't call him, I just brought him up.
Okay, Jimmy, we have to call, because he doesn't have a way to get to Zoom. And Shane, I apologize to you.
Shane, can you hear me?
Can. How are you?
Great. I'm calling Mr. Chapman right now.
Sounds good.
Is this
Yeah,
3
well-
months you said?
Huh?
3 months, they said? 3 months.
Chapman present.
Mr. Chapman, I've got the prosecutor for Belleville online. Counsel, your appearance.
Your Honor, Shane on
Here,
behalf.
I coach the presence of Oakley in the courtroom.
All right, hold on just a minute, Mr. Chapman. Mr. Nolan, go ahead.
Your Honor, Shane Nolan, prosecutor for the city of Belleville.
All right, gentlemen, I understand that there's been some discussion, and Mr. Chapman, I understand you're going to take a plea today, pleading guilty with a 3-month delayed sentence. Is that correct, Mr. Nolan?
I wanted to know in 10 days.
Okay,
But, it doesn't matter one way. You're going to get your plea.
okay. Mr. Nolan, any objection to a no contest?
No, Your Honor.
All right, and that was 3-month delayed sentence, Mr. Nolan?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Nolan, of course, I don't have a police report, so I'm assuming you can give me some factual support for a no contest?
Your Honor, I'll be honest, I'd have to go back and read the report.
Take your time. I'm going to take care of some other business with Mr. Chapman.
All
Mr.
right.
Chapman, you understand your rights and the options those rights give you, yes?
Absolutely, sir. I've heard it all before, sir.
Once or twice. And you understand the possible penalty for this charge?
Yeah, it's 90 days, ain't it?
Actually, it's up to 93.
Oh, okay.
And you understand that a no contest plea says you're not fighting the charge against you.
Right.
Understanding all of that, you're going to plead no contest, and you're doing so freely and voluntarily today?
Absolutely, sir.
All right. Mr. Nolan, when you're ready.
Your Honor, it's my understanding in reading the police report that it is alleged that Mr. Chapman on 3 separate occasions back on January 31st, 2021 had turned off the power to a neighboring business.
I'm sorry, to the
Neighboring business.
turned off power where?
To a neighboring business.
Shut off the
Thank you.
electrical power just
Thank
for
you.
like about a second.
Okay.
And by the way, this-
Hold on. Are you going to do a no contest or are you going to give me facts? Mr. Chapman.
I did shut off the electricity intermittently. If that takes up
I think that would meet the definitions that I need. Mr. Nolan, you satisfied with the plea?
I am, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Chapman, we've got you down still using the P.O. Box 2665?
That's correct, sir, for another year or so.
Okay, and obviously I've got your right phone number because I got you on the phone. Anything else before I set the terms of sentence?
You may sentence, Your Honor.
Thank you. I'll go along with the recommendation from Mr. Nolan, 3-month delayed sentence, stay out of trouble, court costs are assessed the amount of $200. Can you make a monthly payment?
Your Honor, I haven't had much work at all lately. I've got a fresh woman here. I don't know if I can make any payments, Your Honor.
Hold up. I'll give you the community service option if you can find some charity and do some volunteer work.
Why don't you just put me back on the bus and I'll tell you where I ran into Jerry, the old driver, last.
We're not doing work program. That's why.
Keep defer the work program assignment?
I can just have you do 20 hours community service. Just hook up with some nonprofit that's registered as such.
Okay, we'll do something out.
All right. So if I give you,
I'll include that.
I'm sorry, say again.
And would the city in Belleville be included under that definition?
Yeah. For example, if you hook some project up with a DPW and provide some labor for them, that'd be satisfactory.
3, 4.
If you can get them to agree to that, that's fine with me.
I know who to talk to.
Yeah, if you can get the DPW to tell me that you've given them 20 hours worth of work, that'll satisfy me. I'm going to give you until August 1 to either document the 20 hours or contact us so we can give you some more time if you need some time to finish up.
That summer's really busy, Your Honor. I'm trying to get back on my feet. Can you do September?
Let's just start with August 1 and we can always extend it if you need some more time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Anything else?
I did want to note out that this complaining witness also called the Belleville police and told them later when there was a power outage and shut off the electricity again. So understand, that's why I met you in court the other day, is I'm his felony gay.
Oh,
All
okay.
this trouble has come to me via that mechanism.
But you're no longer sharing a wall with that guy, are you?
No.
Okay, so we shouldn't have any more problems
There's a lot
there.
of walls in between us.
Okay, all right. You're all set. Have a great day. Thank you, Mr. Nolan.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Sergeant. Counsel, you want to step up to the mic?
Good afternoon.
And good afternoon, Mr. Cotton.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Mr. Cotton, I have your attorney in my courtroom. You're going to hear from her in just a second. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please the court, Andrea Bradley, P70474, here on behalf of Mr. Cotton, who appears on closed circuit today, Your Honor.
All right. And counsel, would you waive formal reading?
Yes, Your Honor. We waive formal reading, stand mute.
All right. I'm going to enter not guilty plea. I don't have a date. PCC. Yep. Yep.
June 9/30 is.
All right. The 21st, start with you?
Yes, Your Honor. At 8:30, Your Honor.
Counsel, I've got can you confirm his address? I've got 7806 Manor Circle, apartment 201.
I believe that's correct, Mr. Cotton.
Is that correct, Mr. Cotton?
Yes.
All right.
What's
Do you have a
land,
good,
Michigan?
yes, sir. Do you have a good phone number I can put on the court file?
Yes. Let me think of my phone number. Okay, 708-446-1216. 254.
All right, counsel, what else should I consider before I set bond?
Your Honor, with respect to this bond, we're asking for a personal bond in this matter. Mr. Cotton has absolutely no criminal history. He's 67 years old, is a disabled veteran. He's a Lyft driver. I'm not going to go into the facts of the case, but I do believe that the facts will reveal that he was not, in fact, the victim in this matter, and that it certainly is a travesty that he's in this position as we sit. So for that reason, I would ask for a personal bond. I have no doubt that Mr. Cotton will comply with the court's return to court orders, and we look forward to aggressively defending these charges.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Cotton, I'm going to put you on a personal bond, sir. I want you to raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $2,500 if you violate bond? Bond condition number 1, stay out of trouble. Bond condition number 2, cooperate with counsel so we can have a meaningful court date on July 21st. Agreed?
I do.
Thank you. And I'm sorry, 9:30 if personal. Your court date is July 21 at 9:30. Sergeant, you can put your hand down, Mr. Cotton. Sergeant, would you give Mr. Cotton a written notice for that court date? I've got a case number when you're ready.
I'm ready.
210573, and that was 9:30 on July 21.
All right.
Mr. Cotton, any questions for your attorney, sir?
No, sir.
All right. Stay safe, Sergeant.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Counsel, you all set?
Thank you so much,
Oh, you're
Judge.
welcome.
Have a great day.
You as well.